I hope you guys all had the greatest day of your life. Easy Auto Fix here, and today we're going to learn symptoms of a bad control arm. The whole purpose of the control arm is to connect the vehicle's frame to the steering knuckle, which provides support to the suspension system. The control arm has a bushing on one side and a ball joint on the other. The ball joint helps the wheels move side to side and move up and down, while the bushings reduce noise and vibration while you're driving. The average life expectancy of a control arm is from 90 to 100,000 miles. Now, depending on the road conditions in your area, this could last longer or shorter. So to kick things off, the first symptom is noise over bumps. You'll hear a clunky noise like this. Excessive play in the bushings or the ball joint like this could be the reason why. The second symptom could be swerving. Due to the excessive play, it could either be swerving towards one side or the other side or both. The third symptom could be vibrations in your car. You can feel these vibrations in the steering wheel, and you can also feel them in your seat while you're sitting down. Since we know vibration occurs when something moves back and forth, excessive play of the ball joint or the bushings moving back and forth can create the vibration. So this leads us to our last symptom, which is uneven tire wear. Since there's so much movement in that wheel moving front, back, up and down, creating that vibration as you're driving, while that tire is rotating throughout the surface of the road, it's wobbling and not making perfect contact, which results in uneven tire wear. Perfect! We just learned symptoms of a bad control arm. If you guys have any other symptoms with your car, make sure to check out the Auto Symptoms playlist, and I'll see you in the next video.